Hey Beliefers, today we're gonna show you what my amazing husband has been up to. Awesome Mother's Day present, so here he is. So right now, Lord Leaf is filling in a retaining wall that he built to even out our ground, and it's gonna go all the way down and around the garden shed, which is right here, to this spot that's gonna be my greenhouse. And he's leveling up here in the garden, and then there's gonna be another rockery and levels all around here. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. It's awesome having a very talented husband, for sure. Have a good day, Beliefers. We believe you.